We'll guide you through how to convert audio to MP3 VLC. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin the process, access the Windows Start menu on your desktop by clicking the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the menu appears, look for VLC Media Player by typing its name into the search bar so the application can be located quickly. After the search results are displayed, launch the VLC Media Player software on your computer by selecting it from a list. Once the application opens, a floating window will be displayed on your screen, showing the main interface of VLC Media Player. To convert audio to MP3 using VLC, hover your cursor to the top section of the application window, where the menu bar is located. Open the Media menu to access playback and file conversion options. After clicking, a pop-up menu will appear containing several available media management features. From this menu, select Convert/Save to open the conversion setup window. A new dialog box will appear on your screen. Inside this window, tap the Add button to choose the audio file you want to convert. After clicking the button, a new File Explorer window will be shown. In the File Explorer, change the file type filter from media files to audio files, so only audio formats will be displayed. Navigate to the location where your audio file is stored on your computer. Choose the file carefully and press Open to add it into VLC Media Player. Once the selected audio file appears in the list, hit Convert/Save to continue to the next step. A new conversion settings page will appear on your screen. In the Profile section, change the selection to Audio MP3, so VLC Media Player will export the file in MP3 format. This format is widely supported and compatible with most devices and media players. After selecting the correct profile, navigate to the Browse button to choose where the converted file will be saved. Select the destination folder you prefer and provide a name for your output file, so it can be identified easily later. Once the location and file name are ready, click Save to confirm them. Finally, choose Start to begin the conversion process. VLC Media Player will now process and convert your selected audio file into MP3 format automatically. After the process is complete, your converted MP3 audio file will be saved in the folder you selected earlier and will be ready for playback, sharing, or transfer to other devices successfully.